Hello, business enthusiasts. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. And today we are going to delve deep into a critical aspect of business management, resource allocation. Why it is important, how can you make it effective, what happens if it goes wrong. We will answer all these questions and more. So buckle up, let's begin our journey into the world of resource allocation.
1. Understanding the concept of resource allocation. In layman's terms, it is the act of distributing resources that could be time, money, staff, technology, and more within an organization. It's about strategically using what you have to achieve your business goals. Remember, resources are all finite, and, therefore, their judicious use is paramount. 2. The importance of resource allocation in businesses. Simply put, resource allocation is the backbone of operational efficiency. It ensures that every asset you have is being used optimally, avoiding waste, and maximizing output. 3. Key principles of effective resource allocation. Moving forward, let's talk about the principles guiding effective resource allocation. They are prioritization, balance, alignment, flexibility, and realism. Prioritization helps decide which project gets what, balance ensures no project is starved or overfed. Alignment assures the resources align with business goals, flexibility means the capacity to adapt, and realism keeps expectations practical. 4. Types of resource allocation in corporate management. In corporate management, there are two primary types of resource allocation: strategic and operational. Strategic deals with long-term decisions like business expansion, while operational handles day-to-day resource management. 5. The role of resource allocation in project management. In the realm of project management, resource allocation is a juggler, juggling between different projects, ensuring none falls. It's about assigning the right resource to the right project at the right time. 6. Strategies for streamlining resource allocation processes. Now, how can we streamline the process? Well, there are quite a few strategies. Setting clear objectives, using resource management tools, forecasting future needs, and regular reviews can make resource allocation smooth and effective. 7. Utilizing technology for efficient resource allocation. Technology, as always, can be a game changer in resource allocation. From sophisticated resource management software to AI and machine learning algorithms, tech can make resource allocation more precise and efficient. 8. Case studies, successful resource allocation models in leading businesses. Let's take some live examples. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have successfully harnessed resource allocation to skyrocket their growth. 9. The impact of poor resource allocation on business performance. But, what if resource allocation goes wrong? Well, it can lead to resource wastage, delayed projects, overworked staff, and ultimately, a dip in business performance. 10. Overcoming challenges in resource allocation, best practices and solutions. Finally, let's discuss how to overcome challenges in resource allocation. By adopting best practices like transparency, communication, and flexibility, and by employing solutions like dedicated resource management tools, businesses can combat these obstacles. In conclusion, effective and efficient resource allocation is imperative for the success and growth of any organization. It aids in maximizing output, reducing waste, and enhancing overall productivity. However, it requires extensive understanding, precise strategy, and continuous monitoring. And that's it for today's video, folks. We have traveled the length and breadth of resource allocation. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful business content.